In this tutorial, we will show you how you can add entries for refueling. Let's navigate to Finances and click on Refueling and Electric Charging. On this page, you will be entering refuel expenses and tying them to your projects. Click on Add Entry. We will select a vehicle and link it to a project. After we select the source and payment method, fill out the required info. Current kilometers are entered in order for the app to track how much fuel was used and to receive a notification when the next service needs to be done. When done, click Submit. On the table, we have a few additional options. Here we can add attachments such as receipts. At the top, we can filter out the entries. On the right-hand side, we can edit the entry. Lastly, you can export the data with Excel. Now, when it comes to refueling from your own fuel tank, it will be the same principle. Only difference is you can add which employee completed the refuel. Instead of adding kilometers to the vehicle, the system will deduct the current fuel from the amount entered. In case employees have the app installed on their phone, they can accept or decline the entry when it's made. In that situation, refuel requests will be visible in Waiting for Confirmation tab, where we as admins can also accept them or decline. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to reach out.